We've recently added a new feature in DivX 11 that allows the user to customize their playback bar. Under the Player tab in the lower right-hand corner, you'll notice a three-dot menu. And if you hover over it, you'll see more options. You can pin different buttons to your playback bar by clicking on the pin button. You'll notice in the lower right-hand corner, we're adding the different buttons down here. And if you'd like to disable them, just unpin them. This allows the user to clean up the bar some or hide certain features that they don't use regularly. This has been a quick look at how you can customize your playback bar in DivX 11.